Hello guys, welcome back to another video of the evolution of trust. Today we're back here. Yeah. So we've learned that the world is full of total jerkwads. Right now, as you can see, all of these people cheat constantly. And there's only one person, one poor guy. And he also cheats if these people cheat. So, this entire world is full of jerkwads. Okay, let's just finish from here, which was what's causing our epidemic of untrust. A clue is in that sentence itself. In the repeated game of trust, so far we've only talked about the change in the players. What about a change in the game? What could lead to the evolution of distrust? Before everything goes to heck, let's start with something nice. Here's a world filled entirely with always cooperates, except for one always cheat and one copycat. Use the buttons on the right to start the sim. Go through it step by step, or reset it. Let's just start it. You already know copycat wins handily. Oh yeah, it's copycat who wins. Copycat wins handily in the long run, okay. Under our current rules. But that's under our current rules, which say that players play against each other for 10 rounds per match. Does copycat still win at 7 rounds? 5 rounds? 3, 2, 1? Change the number of rounds with the slider below, then start the sim and see what happens. Feel free to experiment. Okay, this means we're gonna do 20 rounds with, Oh no. World's full of total jerkwads again. Okay, never mind. Same people. What happens if we do round 1? The world is full of jerkwads. What about 2? 3. Still full of jerkwads. Okay, this world is full of meanies. As you saw, if you don't play enough rounds, here, 5 or less, always cheat dominates. In 1985, when Americans were asked how many close friends they had, the most common answer was 3. In 2004, the most common answer was 0. Wow. We now have fewer friends across class. Sorry. Racial, economic, and political lines because we have fewer friends, period. And as you just discovered for yourself, the fewer repeat interactions there are, the more distrust will spread. No mass media doesn't count. It must be two-way interactions between specific individuals. And oh, it gets worse. There's another way to breed distrust. Here are the payoffs for the trust game. With the normal payoffs, copycat wins. But now, change the both cooperate reward from 2 to 1. Then click start. Even though +1 is still more than the punishment for both cheating, which is 0, what happens? I guess I have to click this here. Feel free to play around with the different payoffs once you're done. So cooperating gives you -5. Cheating, both cheating gives you 5 plus 3. You know what? It's gonna give you 0. It's gonna give you -5. Only -5. And then doing this. Don't even know what that means. Okay, let's play it. But both cheating just takes away the points. Oh, this is just cheating here. Now both cooperating with each other will give you +5. Yep. Also, I think we've had enough playing around here. The same thing happens with a lower win-win reward. Always cheats takes over. Game theory has two powerful ideas about this. Zero-sum game. This is sadly common belief. Sadly common belief that gain for us must come at a loss for them, and vice versa. Non-zero-sum game. This is when people make the hard effort to create a win-win solution, or at least avoid a lose-lose. Without the non-zero game, trust cannot evolve. Speaking of which, let's now look at our third and final barrier to the evolution of trust. Mystiques. As cool as Copycat it is it has a huge fatal weakness I haven't mentioned yet. To understand the problem, let's say two copycats are playing against each other. Being nice players, both their first moves will be cooperate. And normally they just pay back each other kindness and sing Kumbaya until the end of time. But what if we're trying to reciprocate goodness? Mistakes, miscommunication, misinterpretations, accidents happen all the time in real life. What if one other person doesn't think it was an accident? Oh no, times two. The other player, being a copycat, had to retaliate. And you, being a copycat as well, will also have to retaliate. Which means both cheating. Wait, no. Thus, like the Hatfield and McCoys, these two copycats will spiral into an endless cycle of vengeance. That started over a single mistake long ago. Tragic. But now, are three other types of players who can deal with mistakes. Let's meet some new faces, or new hats anyway. Copykitten. Hello, I'm like Copycat, except I cheat back only after you cheat me twice in a row. After all, the first one could be a mistake. Purr. Simpleton. Hi, I try to start cooperate. If you cooperate back, I do the same thing as the last move, even if it's a mistake. If you cheat back, I do the opposite thing as the last move, even if it's a mistake. Random. Monkey Robot, Ninja Pizza Tacos, lol, I'm so random. Just plays cheat or cooperate random with a 50-50 chance. Alright, let's see how well these peeps do when they play in the tournament. Let's start with a dozen. Always cooperate versus our old winner, the fair Copycat. And three new characters, the forgiving Copykitten, the dull Simpleton, and the silly Random. In each round of the match, the players have a small chance of making a mistake. Let's say 5%. Who do you think will come out on top? Think carefully, then place your bets. I think Copykitten. Alright, you bet Copykitten wins. Let's find out. Use the controls to your left to start the sim quick mode, or go through it step by step. Oh no, Copykitten's already gone. Simpleton. Alright, you bet Copykitten wins. Oh, no. Your bet was close, but not Cigar. Simpleton wins. This is because Simpleton is actually capable of exploiting always cooperate. They both start by cooperating, but a Simpleton makes a mistake and cheats, since always cooperate never retaliates, it'll keep cheating them. Now let's try. The same thing as before, except of half always cooperate. It's half always cheat, it's a much less forgiving, more hostile environment. What do you think will win now? Think, then place your bets. I still bet Copykitten, it's adorable. Purr. Oh! It's